I have regular
Have
clients. Yeah.
any.
It's just not as much.
You wouldn't have as much.
Hmm.
That would be the worst thing that could happen, right?
Yeah.
But what would you say do you believe that where focus goes, energy flows?
Yeah.
That where you put your attention is what grows? And so when you're not allowing yourself space to put your attention on growing it the direction you want to grow it, what's happening?
I'm scattered. Not, I'm thinking about other things that aren't what I want.
And what are you growing?
Yeah. Well, I'm putting myself into a position that there's that I don't want to be in, and that I'm just running around in craziness.
And you're growing the pet sitting side, right? The more you say yes and put your attention on that, the more you grow that. And
Yep.
then, where are you going to be a year from now if you
Mhm.
keep doing that, right? What are those consequences? Go ahead, list them. Tell me what those,
Okay.
like, it's all a ripple effect, right? So
Yeah.
say here we are today. Well, I don't know what today is, November 3rd, 2025. And it's at the time of the recording,
Mhm.
not at the time of posting this on social, everybody. But
Mhm.
here we are, and it's November 3rd, 2026. And you kept saying yes to pet sitting. You kept saying yes to people pleasing. You kept people pleasing all along, right?
Yeah.
What are those consequences? What's life look like now?
Well, I have more customers, but I have less time for myself and my family,
What's the cost of that?
that I'm not as close to my family, and they don't get the time they need from me, or they don't know what time I'll be there. I had that problem in the summer because I was going in and out, and we're trying to hang out at the lake and stuff like that. They're like, "You gotta leave again." I'm like, "I'm sorry. I have to." So,
Yeah. And
yeah,
what's the cost of that? Can you get those times back?
lost memories.
It does have a ripple effect on your children, on your
Mm,
husband, on your relationships.
mm,
What
yeah,
else?
on my pets too, because I'm taking care of other people's pets, at weird times and not them. So,
Yeah. So what else? What else? What other consequences would this lead to if you continue down this path for the next year?
I could get burnt out and
Yeah.
not be able to continue at all.
Yeah, what happens? And then what happens?
Nobody gets help, and I don't either. Everybody,
You're no
everybody.
good to
Oh,
anybody.
no.
Forget people pleasing everybody. You're not people pleasing anybody now. Right.